Today I am reviewing this Shihatsu neck and back massager with heat and compression from COMFIER. They sent me this to review and I'm so excited. Look at this. It's awesome. I do, with reviewing all these products, editing the videos, I do a ton of work on my computer, and this went perfectly on my computer chair. You can see it here. Has the bottom right here, sits up nice and cushioned. You got massagers down here. You got little air pockets right here. You can feel the massagers right here. You have a spot to put your remote right here. It comes out. I'll go ahead and turn it on. You can see it working. You can see it in there, everything working. You can adjust where you want it. Put on whoa. It just started vibrating on the seat. Yeah, that could be a neat, huh? 3 different vibration levels. You hear that? I'm gonna have to show this to my wife. We have heat, air seat, just raised it. Whoa. Put a little cushion in here. These just are inflating with the air seat. Air back. Gives you like some lumbar. That is cool. You can do spot. You can switch. Whoa, there it went right there. I gotta sit in this thing. Just trying to show you guys all of the features on it. But it is wild. Ugh. I'm gonna turn this off. Get everything set back up for me. Yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna hit demo. And it's I don't know if I'd actually get any work done. But I definitely will spend more time at my desk. I'll tell you that much. You can change what spot you all want it on. Heat, full upper lower back, rolling, neck. I just turned it all on. There we go. Oh, this is nice. Turn that vibration on. You know what? This is actually like, hold on. These are like, these neck ones are big, like they're strong, like pushing my head forward, like. This is why everyone wants to work from home, by the way. This is awesome. Helps you get through the day, provide you some relief. And when you're not using it, you can just turn it off. And it's totally functional to sit with. I could easily sit at my desk with it. Just has these Velcro straps that hold it on, so you could easily take this on or off. I highly recommend getting one of these if you spend time at your desk. If you have a chair, get one. Let's put it that way. If you have, a sore back or stuff like that, you want some relief, definitely check out this, massager from COMFIER. I highly recommend it, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.